Yes, blessings, it's Rastafari soldier, you know. And I'm showing you that we're still farming, no matter where we at. This is South Florida, this is my papaya patch right here. Yeah. Farming is essential. It's real talk. Now these papaya are about a year and 4 months or so. This is just on the side of my apartment. As you see, they're almost ready. But the real reason why I actually break out the camera, because I realized that I actually have some yam seeds right here that I wanted to harvest. I want to show you, after about a year of planting the yam, it actually produced seeds. And they grow on these vines. And on the vine itself, you can see they're hanging. And I'm going to go and retrieve some. Some are pretty big. See, that's a little close-up view of what the yam seed look like. They hang on these vines. That's a yam seed right there. Those are yam seeds you're looking at right there. They hang on these vines and you pick them off, and I'm just going to put them under some trash for now, and hopefully they'll start springing in the spring. But that's the way yam seeds look, believe it or not. I'm going to go in the shot a little bit now and pick off some of them. Yeah. And all I'm doing is I'm just going to take them off like this. I personally just put the vine on. Some of them already just falling off. Yeah. And I'm going to plant these. Hopefully I can share them with you next year or so. You just leave them on the branch, they'll just automatically fall off on their own when they get dry. And I'm trying to preserve them. I'm going to bring them over here and throw them in a little pot that I have here with some other stuff. I just see I got a little cane coming over here. This is like my little coconut patch that I put them to catch. And I'm going to just throw these yam seeds in this pot for now. That I have these ackee tree suckers from this ackee tree right here. Yeah. I just see there's a few ackee on it. This tree produces a lot, and I eat a lot from this tree. This is a Jamaican national dish. Some dumplings and ackee. Oh man. Those are some nice food. Dumpling, banana, yam, ackee. Any kind of, say, natural ground food goes nice with ackee. Pork up. I don't know what you're talking about. Banana. Just banana and ackee is delicious. Sweet. If I just pull these off, some will fall off with. That's good. They'll spring right there as long as they're in a good environment. Usually right below it is a good environment. I'm just taking off these seeds. These are going to be individual yams when I'm done. They're all going to grow. You see? One yams give you all these seeds. And yeah, it's a miracle food. I love it. And like I say, I just throw them all in the pot. And I just put a little trash on them to create a little incubator. I try to get as many as possible. This is my yam breed for the next year. Wow. One tree gonna give me all this. And like I said, you know, we always farming. Always farming. Always farming. The other day I dug the yam. I showed you how to dig the yam. And now that one yam, the vines were still here. Okay, all these. And that's what we do in farming. We gather the seed, we till the soil, and we weed out around it to protect our crop. And that's what life is all about. Protecting your crop, taking care of your family, and all that good stuff. Wow. There's a whole bunch of seeds down here, see? They're on the ground. They're ready to incubate. They're ready to burst. Alright now. But I want them. Look at this big one. It's almost like a yam already. See? They're ready to incubate. These are yam seeds. These are gonna grow some nice yams. Yes. Yes, sir. Again, farming. Always farming. It's Rastafari soldier, you know. Always farming. Keep on farming. Plant those seeds. Take care of the plants. Weed out the weeds. Rastafarian Soldier, YouTube, log on. You know, I'm the Crocus Bag Farmer. Give me a call if you have a comment. Leave a comment, like it, subscribe. Rastafarian Soldier. Farming. We always farming. Yeah. See, I got a little putty time down here. I got some mint, right? One of my favorite seasonings, putty time. You know, it's the winter, so it's going a little bit. You know, it's gonna spring back beautifully in the spring. Yeah, got a little fever grass around here. Yeah, because my papaya grew up so quick, and I was in Jamaica doing some farming. Now I gotta clean out around them a little bit. Some snake plants, you know those. Yeah, farming. Planted this cactus about a year ago. I didn't think it would actually matriculate into anything, but see, it's growing, sunlight's hitting it. These plants coming beautifully. Nice, nice. Always farming. This is farming papaya in Lauderhill. Yes, sunny South Florida. Wow, look at those nice fruits. Wow. That's one papaya tree, and look how many papayas on there. One. I hope they all get fertile and fruitful like this. Man, trust me, when I'm eating them, I will be sharing it. You notice? They're nice and pretty. Beautiful and green. Some of them just flowering up. Yeah, there go my yam bush. Yeah. Well, blessed, you know, it's Rastafari Soldier. We're still farming. Log on, Rastafarian Soldier, YouTube, and subscribe. And let me know what you think. Take care.